Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and getting the device alive. Insert the active SIM in the correct orientation, enter the SIM PIN if requested, and charge the Mifi above 50% or plug it in so firmware tasks don't fail. Once powered, locate the factory SSID and password printed on the label. Use your phone or laptop to join that network. Make sure to open the router app or web UI immediately, because that's where you'll perform the first configuration steps. Once logged in as admin, change that default password right away so others can't tamper with settings. Next, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase. Choose 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, depending on your needs. Then update the APN to match your carrier. This is why some Mifi units won't connect out of the box. Also check DHCP, client limits, and disable WPS if you want stronger security. Don't skip firmware updates, they fix stability and performance issues. Finish by verifying connectivity across devices and running a quick speed test to confirm expected throughput. Configure practical limits, set data caps, schedule off hours, and prioritize important devices so critical traffic stays smooth. Enable auto updates for stability and export or note your configuration so you can restore settings later. If you hit trouble, start with the basics, reset the SIM, confirm the APN and account status, power cycle the Mifi, and only then consider a factory reset. This method isolates causes without losing you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.